Alright, so I'm back, and in the next video here, we're going to be talking about the YouTube's Secrets part of the packing list, and that is number 10 on the packing list, so there's a total of 16, so we have about 6 more to go to conclude this video series of walking through the actual product package. So YouTube Secrets, Nutty Mikes YouTube marketing machine, ultimate secrets, strategies, shockers, hacks, tricks, codes. Okay. So the actual document printed out consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. Okay. There's 4 pages in here. I don't have them all on the screen, but I'm going to walk you through what's in it. So the first one here, as you see on the screen now, this is just the cover page. So when you go to the second page, it's telling you how to get familiar with YouTube. And it's telling you that this here is the ultimate YouTube cheat sheet. So they basically give you a website address to go to in order to see this information. Alright, all the information you have there. And it gives you a recommendation of someone who you can start learning from about YouTube for free. His name is Nick Nimmin. He says he's a genius when it comes to YouTube. And basically there's a couple of secrets here, if you want to call it that. How to get 500,000 views on a video. How to create a thumbnail. How to create a CTA, which means call to action. Nutty Mikes Nutty Tricks. The best time to upload a video to YouTube. On YouTube Shorts. Let's see here. How to make a YouTube short go viral in 1 minute. 5 secrets to grow from 0 to 4 million views by Dan Locke. How to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube in 10 minutes. 1,000 subscribers fast. 100,000 YouTube subscribers overnight. YouTube Shorts, the complete guide. The best tags and hashtags to use on your YouTube Shorts to go viral fast. Then there's a couple of links to some other videos here, which you would have to write down. And then there's another section here called Nutty Mikes Shockers. This is the last page. Nutty Mikes Shockers, how I grow tiny YouTube channels fast. And it says here, no one is teaching this. The next one is how Tommy in it gained 7 million subscribers in 1 year. And then the secret codes. So the last 3 things on the page here is Nutty Mikes secret codes. How to get views fast with YouTube keyword research. The second is how I paid people on Fiverr to monetize my YouTube channel. And number 3, big mistakes that small YouTube channels still make. So that's it. It's a small guide. I would say that being that we're doing a postcard marketing program that is really about sending a postcard, this is a nice touch by adding in this information here, because for somebody who doesn't know anything about YouTube or YouTube promoting or advertising, that would be very useful information to get a person on their way and get them a little bit in the know of like some things that they may previously not have known about how YouTube is a platform that there's actually people using, because there's so much traffic and people are actually able to turn that into making money, right? Opportunity. Alright, so let's end this YouTube Mikes marketing machine secrets, and let's go into the next part. If I look on the sheet here, after YouTube Secrets, the next one is number 11. Use my proven YouTube customized for you. Alright, let's look at that next.